Okay, today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the oil service soon light on a JK Wrangler 2007 to 2011. Could be higher, I'm not sure, but I know those years definitely. Okay, let me start it up and show you. Let me see it, come on, see? Oil change oil actually. Alright. Disregard the tire pressure sensor. I took them out because I always air down and that light is annoying. Okay. Okay, first thing you're gonna want to do is take the key completely out of the ignition. Okay? Then you put it in the ignition, put it 1, 2, not to start, the second, where all the lights come on. The next one will be, it's gonna start. Okay? Now you put the gas pedal to the floor after everything stopped. Let that change oil light stop first. Okay, now you push the gas pedal to the floor 3 times. You go 1, all the way down, let it go. All the way down, let it go. All the way down, and let it go. Okay? And then shut the car off completely, take the key out. And that should do it. So let's check. Okay, that little blink, like I said, see the oil light's not coming back? That's just the tire pressure one, like I just had to disregard before. I know about that. But you see the change oil light is not on anymore. Alright, that's just a basically quick thing to do. But you want to change your oil. I mean, that light is not for nothing, you know. But to reset it, that's how you reset it. Okay, guys, Motorcar Nut, please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.